Alright, hello, I'm going to do an unboxing and review video of the Raycon earbuds. These are called the Everyday Earbuds there. I'll put a link to the Amazon page where you can buy these if you want to check them out. I have the earbuds and I have the little protective case. Raycon sent me both of these and said they wanted me to do a video review. So here goes. Bam. That's just a little paper that came with it. I do have some Apple earbuds that I use sometimes. There's how that looks in there. Whoop. Got it out. Nice little case. I like that. So let's check it out. This is my first time trying them out, and I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion on it if you're thinking about buying these. There's the little earbuds. That's how they look. See, okay, it's got a little R on there. I don't know if you can see that, but so they got a little L and an R, so you can tell which ear it's for. And I guess they go like that. Yeah, they just fit in. I don't know if you can see that up like that in the ear. And let's try to pair with Bluetooth. See how easy that process is. Okay, I'm seeing on here Raycon Everyday Earbuds. Connected. I heard connected in my ear. And let's try to play some music. I'll try to play some of my music. Why not? If you're watching this, I have a band. I have original music that I write. Budde music and PBnJBand, and proud of that. A lot of good stuff. Songs that the Lord gives me that I do. So it's a blessing, and you can look that up. I'll put a link to that. You guys see that? Ooh. Bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. So I'm hearing it in my ear right now.
Standing on the edge of the world.
The edge of the world. Pop the other earbud in. We're gonna listen to the actual quality here.
I don't wanna forget. I don't wanna go home, but we can't stay here.
I might have to read the instructions on how the taps work because it went to the next song, and I didn't really want that. Let's see what we got. Oh, here we go. Tap diddy tap tap functions. See if you can get that on there. Pause the screen if you need to read this. There's your tapping functions. Left, one tap is down. Right, one tap is up. That's working. It's making the song go up as I tap. Quality. It says here that 3 taps is the next song. Let's try that. There we go, 3 taps finally got me the next song there. Let's see if they'll stay in my ears while moving my head around. Da 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 da. Decent sound. Guys see that? This is a little protective case, I'll show you that. So the whole thing, there we go. Protects it a little bit. I like that color. I'll put a link in the description if you want to buy that little protective case. And it came with a... There we go, I got that on there. So, that's handy. Put this back in. Let me listen to about 20 minutes worth of music and I will resume this video at that point. Let our worries wash away forever and ever. Take my hand and we'll see if we can be as free as the birds in the trees. This is heaven, and this is heaven, yeah. Alright, I just listened to these puppies for about 20 minutes or so. And took a little bit of getting used to. I'm not really used to listening to headphones like that. Like I said, I'm not a big headphone person. I have these, which this is like an old, the old Apple ones, and this is actually a knockoff brand. So, but it's made to look just like the Apple ones. And so I listened to these for a few minutes just to compare, and the sound is actually better in these Raycon ones. It's fuller, better than these. So if I was going to use one of these, now this is not the actual Apple brand, but if I was going to use one of these, I'd probably go with the Raycons. I like some of the features. I will put this up here again, but there's different features that if you hold down on the side, then it'll change it. Let's see if I can get that in there. Hold down on the left side, for example, you can change the sound mode from balanced to bass to pure. So if you want to have more of a bass sound, that's cool that you can do that. And then on the right, I liked it because it was like ANC, which is active noise cancellation. You can turn that on or off, or then you can go to the awareness mode, which I noticed when I put them in, and then I was listening to music and I did like a clap or something, so there's outside noise, and really with the active noise cancellation on, I couldn't really hear that, but then I put it on the awareness mode and I could hear that more. So me personally, I would probably listen with the awareness mode on, just because I like kind of hearing some of what's going on around me. And I just realized there's more, but wait, there's more. In the little container here, of course. There's the charger. Feels like a quality charger. I mean, it feels like a quality product overall. Raycon, come on, you could have done a longer charger though. Don't like that, but whatever. I have other USB-C chargers. There's no power brick, power in, so you have to plug it into one of your own. And then in here, this looks like more of the little headphone. You see that? Oh, there we go. Cool. So, I mean, whatever this is, probably the medium size, it fit pretty good in my ear. But if you have smaller or larger ears, there you go. It's got 8 extras. That's very good. 2 thumbs up for that. I like that. A bunch of extras. If you would lose one or get too dirty or whatever, you can reuse those. And we have a little R sticker in there. So, let's wrap up the video. In conclusion, here's the product. I like the product. I don't even remember what these cost. I'll put a link to it in the description. I personally, I'm not a super headphone person. I probably wouldn't buy them if it was me, but they shipped me this free sample to do the video. I give it, I'd say a 4 out of 5 stars maybe for this. If you're looking for some good headphones, these are probably cheaper than the Apple ones. And sounded good to me. I liked the bass sound. I liked the different features, the noise cancellation. Sounded better than my Apple knockoffs. I may use them every once in a while. Thank you, Raycon, for sending them out to me. And that wraps up the video. I give it a 1.5 thumbs up, 4 out of 5 stars, and a overall positive review. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. And like I was saying, check out our music. That really helps me and hopefully blesses you. I've got a lot of original Jesus music that God gives me the songs, and I put them into music, PBnJBand.com. So God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.